In order to access our new learning management system, you will have to visit this URL. Type in accentcare.sumtotal.host into your internet browser. Your user ID will be your current user ID, and your password will be accentcare01 with 2 exclamation points. Please make sure to capitalize A and C. Here is where you will type your username and your password. Capital A, C, C, E, N, T, capital C, A, R, E, 0, 1, and 2 exclamation points. Once you log in, you will be prompted to change your password. This will allow you to personalize your account.